as well as fried fish, and as well as a hot choco. Yes, good morning mga pangga. Ito na naman po ang inyong kasama. Wawi Taylor po ang inyong kasama. Samahan niyo po ako until the end of this video. Magmumukbang na naman po tayo mga pangga. As you can see, is a Filipino breakfast. Most of the typical Filipino breakfast. Alright. And before that, we should have to pray first before natin i-introduce ito. Alright. Lord, thank you for this food. Bless this Lord and also bless the viewers as well. Thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Alright. So, guys, this is our... Sa mga hindi dyan na mga Filipino, to all our friends that who is not a Filipino, this is our most typical, or this is a typical Filipino food breakfast. Alright. We have here a chorizo and egg, fried egg. Actually, this is sunny side na egg, but naluto kayo. And also we have here a beef tapa and tomato, as well as fried fish, and as well as a hot choco. And also we have here a sausawan, which is a pinakurat, a spicy hot vinegar. Yun. So yun. And with our rice is a garlic rice. Alright. So hopefully guys na mayroon kayong dyan kinakain while watching this video. Alright. Rice. Sarap ng garlic. Tapa. This is what we call a beef jerky. Right? A beef jerky, and then in the Philippines what we call a beef tapa. And then a chorizo. This one. A mean and lean of a pig. Right here. Thank you so much for doing this, Lira Castro. She is the one who doing this, who made this, right? Our egg. Sorry, masyadong naluto. Usog natin ng konti. Fried fish, which is we call a pilit. Here is a bullet tuna they put in the packaging. Me. Sit. Tomato. Mayroon pa mga bird dyan na umuhuni mga pangga kasi nasa backyard tayo. Wow. Sarap ng beef. Nagutom ako pangga is because last night is a very hard job for me. Kasi ang bigat ng splitting saw, At ang dami ng katay. Yun. Yup. Don't forget the hot chocolate. And our egg. The egg yolk is lutong-luto. But anyway, sarap pa rin. The chorizo is good as well. Right. The tomato, dip natin dyan. The fish, right here. Sarap ng anghang ng pinakulat. Sabi natin yung bukog. Actually guys, it's been a long time na hindi ako nakakain ng ganito na breakfast. Alright? Sarap ng itlog. Then the garlic rice as well. The beef tapa. Yup. I am very hungry. Gutom na gutom. This tapagas, I'm the one who makes this. The fish. Nagbuto ka. Da. Sarap ng chorizo na Lira Castro. Castro. Feel na feel ang Pilipinas. Filipinas. Filipinas. Tumastik pa. So guys, this is it. This is our hot choco last drink. Busog na ako guys. So meron pang natira. So anyway, lagyan natin dyan yan. Babalikan ko ito mamaya. Alright. And once again, thank you so much for keeping company mga pangga. Nawa po'y nag-enjoy kayo while watching this video, as well as nabusog din kayo sa inyong kinakain. Sorry. Sorry, okay. Alright. And shout out to Christian and Junie May Miranda for watching our previous video, right? The kinilaw. Ang nalagay ko sa thumbnail is kinalaw. Which is, thank you so much for watching, alright? It means nanood talaga kayo sa ating video. And also, thank you so much for our friends out there, mga pangga, na nag-watch ng ating video, as well as kung hindi pa ninyo na-subscribe, please click, not check, click subscribe button, as well as hit the notification bell, as well as comment down below and give me a thumbs up. Alright, and shout out to my son, which is Carlisle, what we call Big Bro. Sabi niya kahapon na paghatid ko is shout out ko daw siya pag maggawa ako ng video. Alright, that is my eldest son, Carlisle. And also Baludoy, alright, yung pamangkin ko nasa Pilipinas. Alright, thank you for watching, and also to your sisters out there. Thank you so much, pangga. And to all of you, my friends, mga pangga dyan, relentless runners, thank you so much also for watching our video. Once again, this is Wawi Taylor says to you, I don't want to be a popular, I just want to be a familiar. God bless you. See ya. Bye-bye.